I bet you'll get no one in this whole 200k of packs. Go. Howard. Give me something good. Okay, so he gave me fucking, that looks like a weird Matt HD gamer. Fucking hell. What have they done to him? Put like oil on his head or something. Jesus. So let's go on to the millionth pack. I can't believe it, man. Yeah. Okay, nobody else in this pack. Sick. I think Ibrahimovic and Inform is score this year, but that's about it, to be honest. See, there's a lucky Bale at the end of this pack. Ooh. Sweet. No, go away, get out my fucking club. No, what am I doing? Jesus, man. It's like I forgot to use my hands.
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert, class! Do you believe in a flying spaghetti monster too?
I wasn't talking about spaghetti.
Come on, you're gonna have to sit in the dunce chair.
Skip back, and we get Lacazette. He's a good player, decent pull, but still shit back. What the flip? He's blending into the card, man. Fuck, you know. The coinage. How many packs left? So about 5 more packs left. Oh god, fucking hell. We got a horse. We got a weird breed of animal there. And another weird breed of animal. Stick them in the back. Now that is special. Oh, come on. This is turd.
A few moments later.
Anyway, fuck it. I bet you're getting no one in this whole 200k of packs. I bet you're getting no one in this whole 200k of packs. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got Bale. I got Bale. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Yes. Fucking hell. Let's go, man. That is dope. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nice. So it's like 400k in the bag. Unless the price. So it's like 400k in the bag. Unless. Oh my god.
Bale is what?
Bale is 1,000,000 coins! Haha!